Hello, welcome to AOS Journey. This show is about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. So many of you know I had to get a new computer. My computer was on the fritz. There was so many things going on over the last couple weeks. Haven't been able to do many of these videos. Anyways, I finally got a new computer ready to go. I just re-uploaded the OBS software because it's brand new, so I didn't have any of that software on. And I have to, since it's the Mac Mini, it literally the new M4 Pro. It doesn't have any USB spots, and of course, my camera and everything I use a Cam Link, and to live stream my camera because I use a Sony A6000, and it goes through a J5, which is a dock that plugs in because all of the plugins for the Mac Mini are USB-C. So anyways, point is that it has a port for 10 gigabytes and a port for 5 gigabytes. So I think it's the speed. Well, if you plug it into the 5 gigabyte section in your port, it doesn't, after a while, it starts to slow down and it will like blink and all this stuff. So I was in for about 5 minutes of a video and it literally just decided to start blinking and messed up the whole video. Anyways, today, just this on a side note, for what's going on 2025. I love it though. All right, it's new and everything's working out very well. But today's topic, though, to get to the topic, we are talking about creating your email list for 2025, especially if you've never created one before. We're going to talk about how to create an email list, and the point of this email list is to send out bi-weekly, monthly updates to potential clients. Okay, so real quick, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'm sorry again that I haven't been producing a lot of videos recently. We're getting back into it for 2025, so I'm very excited. Also, make sure you check out AOSJourney.com. We're running a special for VO Journey Academy. We rebranded, very exciting, a lot of wonderful stuff going on there. If you're trying to start a voiceover business and you need guidance, you want to go classes, attend classes live, have support, courses that you can see on your own time, and just a great community, that's a place to be. VO Journey Academy. We have a couple hundred students who are very active, and we'd love to have you. So check that out at avosjourney.com. It's only $10 to get started. There'll be a link below for that. So anyways, let's go ahead and kick off today's topic, Marketing Monday. We're talking about creating an email list. Okay, what is an email list and why should we do it? So first off, an email list here is a list of emails from potential clients who either we've worked with or we would like to work with. Okay, or it's possible that we could work with them. And what we do is we find these people, whether through a myriad of different techniques, whether it's using Google, whether it's meeting them on social, etc. We get their email, we save them onto a list. Now you can use an Excel sheet. All right, you can use Google, or you can use Google Contacts. I use Gmail, so I like to keep everything simple. You can literally use it right in Gmail. Okay, and their contact section, and that's all free. Or you can use a CRM like Nimble or something like that, where it allows you to send emails, find contacts, and do all of it in one place. But either way, you want to save emails of potential clients. Okay, and then from there, once we have these clients, we are going to keep building this list, and every couple weeks, we're going to send an email that basically is saying, hey, I'm still alive, and if you need a voiceover, I'm here, I'm your guy, or I'm your gal. The reason why we're doing that is because the likelihood that any one person is going to need you at that very moment that you find their email is next to none, right? Of course, it could happen, but it's very little. So, meaning that there's going to be time over the next couple of months, the next year, that they might need a voiceover. And what we want to do is start to build a relationship with them in a way that they know we exist. Okay, they know that we're voice actors. They're familiar with the fact that we're voice actors, and they know us enough that they would contact us to possibly do a voiceover. How we do this through an email list, all right, is, we collect these emails. We send them updated emails every couple of weeks about just, us, our business, what's happening, news, industry news. It's not The paragraphs are not needed here. A couple of sentences we send on a bi-weekly, monthly basis to just let them basically know, hey, I'm here. Look at a project I did recently. Here's some cool news about marketing trends that you might be interested in. And if you ever need a voiceover, I'm still available. Sincerely Anthony or whatever. Make sure you have a link to your website in your signature file. Okay. If you don't have a website, make sure you have a link to like a SoundCloud or somewhere, YouTube, somewhere where they can listen to your work. That's important. I find that sending your work to people in that in files, actually downloadable files inside an email, unless they ask for it, it's not a very good thing to do because people are not going to just randomly download your files again unless they ask you for it, and B, people would rather go and just listen to it held somewhere else so they don't have to save your files. Where are they going to put it? I mean, so you have to think about that. So that's why I recommend having something in your signature. All right, but that's your goal of your email list, is to collect emails of potential clients. We're not going really in today about getting those emails and everything, but I can give you just real quick about that. A great way to start is to get onto Google, type in something like, marketing agencies in Boise, Idaho, or whatever, right? And it's going to Google's going to populate a whole bunch of marketing agencies in that concentrated area. And what a great way to do it is you can either email them cold by putting them on your list and verifying that they're okay with you being on their list, or you can call them. I do find, and I know a lot of people don't like phone calls, but these days, phone calls really do work actually the best in turning a cold lead into a warm lead. And the difference between a cold lead and a warm lead is a cold lead is someone who, you've gotten their information by your own research, right? And you are ready to get that, hopefully contact them. They don't know you. They haven't heard from you. You've done nothing with that contact other than just got the email address itself. A warm lead is someone that you've reached out to and they've said, hey, it's okay if you send me more emails. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, so you want to take that cold lead, turn it into a warm lead, and I find the best way to do that is by phone calling. All right, listen, gotta go. Your job, all right, is to begin to set up an email list. You might already have contacts. Put them on your email list. It starts with 1, 2, 3. You don't need 1,500 to start, but your goal will be this year is to get as many on 500, 1,000 contacts on there as you possibly can. We'll talk more, all right, on how to find more contacts, how to, turn them from cold leads into warm leads. But first, you need to set up this your Gmail and everything if you already have it, and start to populate that with your current contacts. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful Monday. Make sure you check out AOSjourney.com for our special and join our academy there. Bye, everybody.